answer.
Looking for an answer.
I'm looking for an answer.
Looking for an answer.
Looking for an answer.
Possibilities are endless.
Looking for an answer.
Looking for an answer.
STS9.
Looking for an answer. Looking for an answer.
Yo, dealing with feeling like I need to be free. Hoping to keep afloat, but still I'm broken and beat. Still coping with the defeat, but keep the focus on each and every opportunity that I reach. Peeping the puzzle, but it's never enough. A brother struggling, trying to come up, but then it's doubling. The sun will come up, and then I'm wondering where time went. The time spent got me hustling, looking for something, but still I'm suffering. Working for rent, trying to discover the best plan. Stressed out, seeking the best route, speaking to get it off of my chest. Doubt it'll ever get better, staying persistent. Thinking of getting ahead, but seeming in the distance. Making a difference, depicting life with what I write. Looking for something consistent.
I wonder why they never try to tell me. I wonder why they never try to show me. I've been struggling. I've been struggling.
I wonder what happened to this picture I painted. The images are the same, but there's a different sentiment. What I meant to be pain is now comfort. I feel one with the sunset, not waiting on blue moons. I move on the magic of each moment, soothed by the pattern of these poems, fueled by the fire that keeps glowing inside of me, providing me with light to see what life can be if I can finally weather the storm. Treasure the art forms, the possibilities are endless. Remember to check and make sure you got yours wide open. Into the sky float, approaching the nation. Take this time to open your mind.
I spent my whole life searching, looking for an answer to a question that was certain. To open up the curtain and expose a new version, add meaning to my journey, help achieve a higher learning, a deeper understanding as the earth keeps turning. The days keep changing and the fire keeps burning. My pop's still working even though his back's hurting. My mom's by his side helping to carry the burden. It's kinda disturbing, but still we keep searching for an answer.
A question in my mind,
a possibility, a new way of living while I'm
looking for an answer.
A blessing in disguise, a possibility,
a new day beginning, and I'm
looking for an answer.
Trusting that in time,
a possibility will soon be delivered, cause I'm
looking for an answer.
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 Looking for an answer. Looking for an answer.
I wonder why they never try to tell me. I wonder why they never try to show me. I've been struggling. I've been struggling.
I know I may be young. I've been